PlantGrow comes in two forms. We have a liquid feed and we have a solid soil conditioning fertiliser. The liquid feed would be mixed with water and we recommend feeding once a week. You can be flexible on your dosage. It's made from plants, you can't go wrong with it. Solid PlantGrow can be used in a variety of ways. You can use it as a top dressing by handfuls on pots and containers, really good for retaining moisture. You can also just mix it into the soil or your compost. PlantGrow is a natural fertiliser and plant food. It's free from peat, free from animal waste and free from chemicals. PlantGrow can be used on your vegetable plot, your flower beds, pots and containers, indoors and out, in your greenhouse and on your lawns. There's basically nowhere you can't use PlantGrow.